it's my crush.
How's it going?
Aw, I should say hi to him. Ow!
Oh, sorry. Here, have this. See you at the party.
What is that? Is it a new kind of fur? It must be a new undiscovered species.
Hey, that's my hair.
Are you kidding me?
Are you okay?
Whatever, have this.
I don't have much time. I feel like I've been combing this all day. Ugh, not again.
No talking in class. Now time for a pop quiz.
Ugh, I didn't study. Luckily, I got the answers right here.
And what do you think you're doing?
He saw me. Oh no! You look like you need some accessories. What?
Inspection. You better not be cheating. You! Are these the answers?
Huh? No, that's not mine.
Detention!
But I'm telling the truth.
Ugh, it's not fair.
Honey, what's wrong? What's this in your hair? Oh, this one's fun. There's an intruder in your hair.
What?
Hey, crush! Your hair smells lovely.
Stay away from my daughter.
Bye-bye.
Now get out.
I know, right?
Oh.
Hey, girls. Yes, hello?
It's mine.
Hey!
But my lips. They're not kissable yet. This will help.
What are you doing?
I'm not done, silly. I'm plumping them up, see?
You think you're so cool, huh? I got an even better solution. I'll have the most kissable lips ever. Ha!
Oh yeah? Well, mine's bigger and better.
I win. Nuh-uh. I've got more tricks up my sleeve. If yours is bigger, mine's redder.
No way! Hey, crush, take my kiss.
No, take mine.
Ah! Gotta go.
What else? Eyelashes. I need to hurry.
Oh no.
Oh, geez, how do I fix it? Falsies will take care of it. I'll just glue them on and I'm done. So pretty. What you got there, honey? Oh, kids these days. Always so messy. Oh, no! Oh, relax. It's a disaster. Oh, no need to worry, sweetie. Back in my day, we used this to draw on eyelashes. That's genius. Wow. Thanks, Mom. Hi, I need to get my nails done.
Yeah, I can see why. Choose one.
Okay. Oh, this one's cool.
And do it yourself.
Huh? Okay. Whoa, that's awesome!
Huh? No?
Really? Fine. How about a vampire look? Now that's fierce.
Oh my god, no!
No? Alright, let's try the Barbie look. I think this is the one.
It's beautiful.
I think so too. Oh no, I ripped my tights. My nails are too long. I can barely do anything. I can't take it anymore. I need them shorter.
Fine. As the old saying goes, long nails aren't for the weak.
Faster, please.
Faster? Fine. But this is gonna be rough. You might want to cover your eyes. Scared? Haha, kids!
Is it over? Oh. It's so pretty. Wow, thank you. Curly hair for the party. It is.
It's almost time for the party.
I better hurry.
What?
Come on. It doesn't seem to be working. Oops, guess it is. Okay, back to work. Uh-oh. Mom, my hair. Sorry.
Oh wow, look!
It's beautiful. It worked way better than your curling iron. Thank you. So pretty.
Thank you.
I gotta go.
Ouch!
What time is it? Huh? What? I need to do makeup. Where's my palette? Here. Whoa! Oh no, it's ruined! I only have lipstick. Hey, I can be creative with this. I'll put them on my eyelids like cream eyeshadow. And then I'll blend them with a brush. Repeat the process on the other eye. Wow, it worked! Wow, I should take a selfie. Oops, my phone. Wow, that's pretty. Great film. Yeah! Ugh, it's tough to eat with these nails. Ugh, not again.
Amateur. That's why I ordered chips. Whatever. At least it's open. Now, if I could just get these to my mouth.
I have an idea.
Let's just eat marshmallow.
Just pierce the mallows using your nails.
Easy
and
snack.
ta-da.
Wow! Let me have some of that. Whoa! High five.
Awesome, right?
Welcome back. You need a makeover, eh?
Just a little bit.
Oh, keep it down. It's just a little snip. There's no need to be dramatic. You're looking a little pale. Let's get more color out of you.
Oh, it was just a dream. What? Huh.
Everybody make some noise. Let's party.
Huh?
Whoa, who is she?
Hey, guys.
Ouch!
Hey, watch it.
It's her fault.
Watch where you're going, will you?
Uh-oh. Oops.
Oh, is that an animal? Oh, how disgusting is this? How long is this thing anyway? Whoa! Ugh. I thought I'd never get out of there. See ya! 7 times 81 is… Man, this stuff's hard. Hey! Wanna see my notes? Whoa! I see London, I see France, I see this chick's underpants! Thanks for the laugh! That was so embarrassing! But how can I use a zipper with these things? If I could just get a hold of it. Come on. Oh, it's useless. Come on, get it together. Almost got it! I officially give up. You things are the worst. Ugh. I just need to get in there. Wait! I think I'm doing it! Yes! Just a little bit more! Victory is mine! Oh, I missed the entire test! I just can't win today! Why do I insist on having these? Oh, our big moment is almost here! He's right behind that curtain! Yep. Uh-huh. I mean, oh my god! What's good, ladies? I'm here! He's so beautiful! I think I may faint! For Instagram! Love you! This is gonna go viral! I'm up next! I'm so nervous! I'm your biggest fan! Take our pick! Say rock and roll! Yep, looking good. Is that… armpit hair? Looks good. Yup, keep going. Arms in the air. That's it. Wait, what's with all the hair? I look like a hairy beast. I can't post any of these. You're the worst photographer. No better combo than snacks and tunes, baby. Ooh. Huh? I'm out already? Whoops! Guess I have more after all. My bad. Ugh. That's quite a mess I made. Get to work, Mr. Vacuum! Just gotta get out of here. Oh, worst day of school ever. I can finally just relax. Hey, girl! Oh yeah, tell me everything. Uh-huh. Then what did he say? That's so crazy! Then what did you say? Yeah? Ouch! Somebody help me! Ah! This restaurant is nice. They have the best burgers, too. Well, so I've heard. Ugh. Wait till dessert! Actually, I have an idea! Gotcha! The perfect bite. This date is going pretty great now. It's easier to focus on a full stomach. Ooh, something's happening. Gotta go to the ladies' room. I'll be right back. Oh boy. Stuff happens. Please let there be a free stall. Come on! Thank goodness. Phew, sweet relief. That was good. We're in the clear. On second thought, I've still got a major problem. This isn't gonna be pretty. What's she doing in there? So boring. This is ridiculous. God, that's done. Why can't I press this thing? Ugh. I don't want to break a nail. I almost forgot. I have knuckles! Of course! Stupid messy patrons! Like I want to be here all night! Where is everyone? Guess I lost track of time. Again. What happened? Wait. Where am I? Have I been kidnapped? Never fall asleep on the bus! What do I do now? I do have these sharp nails. Looks like they're coming in handy, for once. Yes! I'm so getting out of here! Who's that? They're coming in here! Somebody help me! Help me! Help me! It was just a dream? Thank goodness. Night-night, nails. I don't feel like studying. What up, bro? We're skating this weekend, right? Enjoy the view, boys. Check it out. They can't keep their eyes off me. What you guys talking about? Ooh! Dude! He's out cold! No! Boys? Where did they go? How could you do such a thing? It was an accident! Promise! I didn't mean to scare you! The day is finally here! The package should be here by now. I have my own places to be! Oh, come on! I can't stand all this waiting! Anybody home? It's here! I can't believe it! Hello. This package is for you. Just need you to do one thing. Sign on the bottom line. Oh, duh. Need a pen. I don't do so well with these. Steady. Just give me a minute here. Time's a-ticking, lady. No! You've gotta be kidding me. Sorry. If I could just hold this stupid thing. Yes! There! Hallelujah! Thank you. I don't get paid enough for this. Is this even a person's name? I can't take this back to the office. I'll be a laughingstock. Ugh. I quit. Alright, Nails. You ready for the big moment? Who needs a blade, right? I'm going in! Wow! Isn't she a beauty? Say goodbye, long nails! Do you understand the long hair struggle? Or if those long nail woes spoke to you on a personal level? Share this video with your buddies if they could use a laugh. Watch these yet? Subscribe to our YouTube channel so you never miss out!